Hi Liam and Samir. I hope you're enjoying the holidays. I'm just looking at your elements assignment. You've got some information on three elements, hydrogen and carbon and oxygen. So all gases. So it would have been good if you could have had a metal. Um, so you needed background information about how it's, well, in your case, it's not mined, but how it joins with other atoms and how it's used and becomes part of other substances. You have included your Bohr diagrams for each, but you haven't included chemical equations for them or pictures of them, or there's no bibliography, and there's no interesting facts. So you've missed out a lot of information that should be there. And also, there's two of you instead of one, so I'm going to have to mark you down quite a bit. So I'm going to give you a success. So enjoy the rest of your holidays, and I'll see you next term. Bye.